guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renee. So as you can see by the title of this video, it is all about this unit that I am rocking, this curly bob unit. But hear me, would you guys believe me if I told you this hair was straightened before? Like straight? And now it's curly? This unit, you can wear it curly, you can wear it straight. I absolutely love the idea of that. All you got to do is straighten it when you're ready to, have a straight look. And when you want it curly, all you got to do is just spray it up with some water and the curls will form and they will bounce. And like, you guys, this is just super duper cute. I love it. I love a short, curly moment because it's giving, it's looking really cute because I'm always wearing like my long curly units. So this is definitely giving, a different feel, a different vibe. Drop your comments below. Tell me what you guys think. All hair details will be listed in the description box below. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this hair from straight to curly, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so we're just gonna get right into today's video. So this unit that I am wearing was sent to me from XrsBeauty Hair. It's my first time working with this company. The wig that I am wearing today is their revertible unit. So you can wear it straight and you can also wear it curly. With this unit, this is 12 inches and the density is 200%. You can see how full this unit is. I did run my straightener through it because I like when I wear when I wear straight hair, I like when it's super sleek. But you can see how full this unit is. You can see like the density. And I think this hair texture is yucky because it's not as bone straight. It's still got a bit of, kink to it, which is, okay, because you can still, wear this unit. So this unit really does come in handy because for those people that want to have that favorite wig where they can do multiple things to it, you can do that with this unit. So you can wear it straight and then you can wear it curly. So I'm actually I've never seen this hair curly. So we're going to, wet this up for the first time together. We're going to be seeing it together. But this is how the unit is looking. But I'm going to wet this up right now. I'm just going to get a small section to show you guys because we're going to do this together. Okay, so we got the hair out of the way. So I have this small section right here. I got some water. So let's just spray this and see the curls form. And I don't have any product in this hair whatsoever, like no product at all. This is water and water only. You guys, look at the curls. These curls are so pretty. Super pretty. Super pretty. So like, do you see? Let me get a portion, bring it to the front here. Let me show you guys. So we got just a piece, that's curly over here. Curly, and then right here is straight. And this is actually really nice. Like these curls are super duper cute. Ooh, I'm loving it. I really like this. I like the idea of this unit because sometimes when it comes to curly hair, you can't really straighten like Jerry curly hair. Like you wouldn't want to straighten that. You're going to leave it as is. But this is giving that wet and wavy type of look, which is really nice. It's really nice. So I'm going to let this air dry a bit and then I'm going to straighten it to show you guys how this goes from curly to straight in minutes. I can just imagine what this unit will look like when it's fully curly. And I'm going to do that after I straighten the hair. I know I keep touching it, but I'm just trying to see these curls. And I hope you guys can see these curls too. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is how the unit is looking when it's fully curly. Like, you guys, this is just amazing. The curls are so nice and loose. It is super duper soft. Super duper soft. I absolutely love the curls on this unit. I haven't had like a short curly moment in a very long time. It's usually, you know, like my long curls, but this bob is super cute. The curls are really nice, and just as they say, this unit does hold its curls, so you can straighten it as many times as you want, and when you're ready to revert it to where it curly again, the curls are there, they're on and popping. When you do spray this hair, you do gotta wait a few minutes. They say 2 minutes, wait 2 minutes for the curls to form and you are good to go. So what I did, as you guys saw, was just wet the hair and I just left it alone for it to air dry. And then, you know, I just use my fingers and kind of like zhuzh it up because I want that big, you know, fluffy, full look. So you guys already know, all details are down in the description box below. Drop your comments below as well. Subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renee. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.